Hello and welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is inclined planes. In this video, we will 1. Explain and mention some examples of inclined planes. 2. Construct and use inclined plane to lift objects. And 3. We will also state the advantages of an inclined plane. The inclined plane is the simplest of simple machines because to make it work, nothing moves, you move. Another name for an inclined plane is a ramp. It can be as simple as a driveway leading to your school or as sophisticated as an escalator. Inclined planes are simple machines that allows one to use less force to move an object. It is a flat surface raised on one end, and this changes the way work is done. It changes the way or the direction of the force and the amount of force needed to lift an object. Using an inclined plane makes work easier by letting you use less force to move an object. What are the examples of inclined planes? The following are some examples of an inclined plane. 1. Stairs and ramps. In most homes, hospitals, or big establishments, an inclined plane is attached next to the staircase. This plane provides a surface for people to walk and drag heavy objects over it with ease. The inclined plane or the ramp also helps physically challenged people to move up and down using a wheelchair. 2. Sliding board on children's playground. A plane slide is yet another example of inclined planes used in our daily life. One end of the slide is placed close to the ground, whereas the other end is lifted and attached to the top of a staircase. 3. Wedges. Wedges are moving inclined planes that are driven under loads to lift or into loads to split or separate. Examples include scissors, axe, screwdrivers, and so on. 4. Escalators. Escalators are inclined planes that propel people or objects up a distance without exerting energy. It is a moving staircase used as transportation between floors or levels in subways, buildings, and other mass pedestrian areas. 5. Water slides. A person climbs to the top and using the slippery water surface accelerates down the plane at exciting speed. Other examples include sloping roads and hills, archettes, funnels, mailbox, roof, and so on. Here is an example of how to construct and use an inclined plane to lift objects. This is an inclined plane with a flat surface that is tilted or inclined at some particular angle other than the right angle. This means that one end of the surface is lifted higher than the other end. The slope of this inclined plane allows the person to move bulky objects or loads up to a certain height with ease. This is because this inclined plane increases the distance over which the force is to be applied, thereby decreasing the effort. In other words, with the help of this inclined plane, the load can be displaced from one position to the other by directly applying a push or a pull force rather than lifting it. Now, let us talk about the advantages of an inclined plane. 1. An inclined plane is used to move objects more easily to a higher level. For example, a screw jack is used to lift cars. 2. Less force is needed to move an object uphill with an inclined plane. However, the force must be applied over a great distance. 3. The inclined plane doesn't move, therefore it ensures stability. 4, the inclined plane can be at an angle for maximum flexibility. Now, try out the following questions to test your knowledge of the topic. 1. Mention 3 examples of inclined planes. 2. State 3 advantages of inclined planes. And 3. Construct and use inclined plane to move objects. We've come to the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.